This video will show you how to change the font in Google Sheets. Once you're in your Google Sheets file, select the cells you want to change the font for. This time, I'd like to change the font for the following student names. So I'm going to select the cells of the following student names. After selecting those, at the upper middle part of your screen, click Font. After clicking that, you will see different type of fonts you can choose from. Let's try this font called Lobster. Click it to apply, and you'll see that the font changed. What if the font that you're looking for isn't here? If that's the case, on the top of the font options, you will see More Fonts. Click it, and then you will see the different type of fonts you can choose from. You can click the search icon to look for a font, or just scroll it down to see more of them. Let's say this one. After choosing a font type, click OK, and you will see that the font changed. What if I only want to change the font for a certain letter of a word? That's just easy as well. For example, I'm going to change the font for the S of Sandra. What I'm going to do is to select it, just the letter S, and then at the upper middle part of the screen, click Font, and then let's try to apply the font impact on it. And you will see that the font changed. You see that the font of the S is now different from the rest of the letters on the word Sandra. And that's how you change the font in Google Sheets. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more bite-sized tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.